Hi guys, this is Bhavya Sharma from Dualite. So today we'll be building a project management tool like Notion from scratch. We have a series of prompts ready with us, so let's dive right into it. So the results are here. So this is the first result. This is the basic outcome of the prompt. We have a welcome page and the date it was created on. We can add sub pages to this and even add pages. It's really responsive, and it's displayed here that editor is coming soon, and the rich text editor will be implemented in episode 2. So let's move on. So with the second prompt, now we can add different types of blocks by just tapping a slash. So here we get the option of editing, adding a text, a heading, and the to-do list. So let's try this and let's say blog development. Well, it works really nice. Let's say heading. Well, it's working really nice. So let's continue. As you see, we have this button to expand the toggle block with us. We also have the code block with us where we can choose any of the languages from the drop down option. Let's say Python. Also, um, we have an enhanced block editor with us where we have images where we can upload and display images. We can toggle, we have a divider, and we have a code block with syntax as well. So let's try to upload an image here. So yeah. So Dualite Alpha has maintained the high quality of the image, and we can use other options as well with us, which are things like the divider, the code block, and the drop down option. So let's move on. Now we have the templates section with us where we have this roadmap with us as well. So you can see the tasks completed, the tasks in progress, the ones which are not started, and the overall progress as well. You can even mark it completed with the drop down option and drag this button to the particular percentage of task that is completed. Let's say it's in progress, approximately 50%. This was completed. Well, you can even delete your tasks from here. Let's try to add a new milestone. Let's say project submission. Let's say development. You can choose a date of your own. So now, as you see, we have got our new milestone here, that is the project submission. Let's even check the calendar once. Let's say we have a meeting here. So the time and date. Let's say at 9:05 meeting, and add the event. It's here. Well, let's move on. We've got a new feature here where we can collapse the sidebar and use the rest of the tools easily. So with the next prompt we had given Alpha, now we can easily rename our pages as well. So for resources, we can write anything. Yes. And as you see, the page is quite responsive. So let's give Alpha the next prompt. As we see here, Dualite has given this entire page a very modern yet minimalist look, where it has renamed it as Quantum and given a nice logo for it. We have also got the option of now deleting the pages as well as sections altogether. So let's give the next prompt. So now we have got this icon where we can choose from our emojis and place any of them here. So let's take anything like this. So now we have our emoji added to the name of the page as well. That's really cool. Let's move on to next. With that prompt, the project management tool is ready. It has a modern yet minimalist design where you can add things like text, heading, and a lot of things using a block editor. You can even deploy the same using your Netlify account. So this is how you can build a Notion style project management tool using your very own Dualite Alpha. Thank you.